Is this on? I've done millions of videos. I could definitely do this. Hello everybody, this is Gabby Gibson. Obviously. Okay. I need to do something a little better. I need to do something with a little more pizzazz. What's up everybody, this is Gabby Gibson here, and you're watching my YouTube channel. That didn't seem pizzazzy enough. You are watching Gabby Gibson's YouTube channel. Enjoy it! Oh dear God, I sounded like a complete and total asshole. Well, okay. This is my YouTube channel. And here you're gonna find all sorts of stuff, from the videos that I make to everything else in between. So, I hope you guys enjoy this channel and you get to see what all I do. So, if you want to find out more about me, check out the links to my social media down below. See ya. Yeah, that works pretty well. Hi everybody, Gabby Berlante here. It's April 22nd, which is Earth Day. So, happy Earth Day everybody. And I thought in honor of Earth Day, I'd show you guys how to do something, to get rid of all the old calendars and old magazines that you have hanging around. So, what we're going to do today, we're going to make an envelope out of a magazine and an old calendar. Today on Guppy's DIY. So the first thing you're going to need is, you're going to need an envelope, just like this one. Going to need some scissors, an old calendar. This is an MLP calendar that I have from a couple years ago, and a Harper's Bazaar magazine, or you can use whatever kind of magazine you got. You're also going to need a pen to do some markings. So, now, let me show you guys how it works. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our envelope, we're going to open it just like this. Because what we're doing is we're making the envelope like a template. We have to move very carefully. We don't want to rip. See? Like that. So don't worry, we can still do it. We'll just use the scissors to trim the edges a little. There we go. Now we want it to look just like this. Because as I said, we're going to use this as a template to trace. So, let's do a little bit of a cleanup on the edge with the scissors. Just like this. Okay, and that is the beginning of our envelope template. Now as you can see, we're going to make sure we use this as a way to, well, fix her up. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to take a, let's see, we'll do the, how about the Louis Vuitton? That looks good. Alright, now we're going to take our scissors, and we're going to cut, or do like this, and pull out very slowly, or not. Ralph Lauren. There we go, that'll work. Now, we're going to take our envelope, we're going to make sure we have it lined up. Now it's okay if you don't get the corners there, because it'll still work out pretty well. Take our pen, and we're going to trace just like this, just so that way we have a template. Okay. Now we're going to trace the bottom. Just like this. You want to make sure you have a steady hand, because that'll come in handy later. Steady hand, handy. Okay. As I said, you want to trace along the line. There you go. Just like this. Then cross it just like this. And now we have a template, as you can see. And this is what we're going to be using to make our envelope. Okay, now I'm going to take our scissors and I'm going to cut along here so that way we have our template just like this. I'm going to do it like this, so that way it's a little bit more like the triangle. I'm going to cut again just across like that. Now we're going to cross like this. We want to make sure our edges are pretty good, so we'll cut across, just like this. Then cut it like this and down like this. And there. Now we have our template. Alright, so now we've got our template just like this. Now we're going to fold it just like this. We'll start these corners here first. It's going to form one part of our envelope. And again, we want to make sure we get it pretty close. There we go, just like that. Now we're going to do the same thing with this one. Going to move it forward just like that. Then we're going to move the top up just like this. Fold it like this. See, this is what it looks like so far. And then we'll fold the top, if I can get it. Fold the top just like this. So we want to make sure we get it down. And there we have an envelope. Now this is where the glue stick comes in handy. So, once again, we'll fold like this, and we're gonna just dab a little bit on the edge here, just like that. Then we're gonna do it on the top here, just like that. Then we're gonna very lightly right here put a little right there and a little right there. And then if we want to add a little bit more so that we've got some stability, we'll do it like this. And then, so what we're going to do now is we're going to let this dry, and what should happen is we should be able to have a usable envelope. So we're going to put it just like this, and now as you can see, here it is, and then here's the fold, and then all you would do, Let me just close this real fast so I don't. As you can see, we've got our own envelope. Pretty cool, huh? Now I'm going to show you guys how to make an envelope like this. We're going to use the same method, but we're going to do it a little differently this time. We're going to use a calendar page instead of the magazine page, and we're just going to see if that's going to be the same results as it is with this one here. So, here we go. So, now you know how to make envelopes out of magazines and old calendars. And I have to admit, doing the one that was shaped like this, I was a little worried there for a minute, but actually it looks pretty good. Although I still am happy with this one. So I just wanted to mention real quick, with this one, what you do is you glue right here and right here. So that way you have more of a uniform pocket, just like with a regular envelope. And again, if you feel like you need a little more stability, you can use some Scotch tape or some double-sided tape. But really, this is fun. And of course, I do need to remind you that when you do send it out, make sure you put the proper address label. You can use that with just some white paper. And of course, you know, where you're sending it to. And of course, don't forget to put a stamp. So I hope you guys enjoyed this neat little DIY, just in time, of course, for Earth Day. But I feel like you could do this for any day. I mean, you could use Christmas advertisements, you could use Halloween advertisements, really, just as long as you're able to have the templates like these envelopes. Now, as to whether you could do a bigger envelope, then I suggest, you know, making sure you do these a couple times first before you try doing the bigger stuff. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see me upcycle next. There's probably going to be a few more videos coming up this summer, and maybe soon in the next couple of weeks. So, until next time, bye. Oh, and happy Earth Day. And don't forget, the power is yours.